What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 websites on how you can make $100 per day in 2020, and in some cases even more money than $100 a day, but at least $100 a day. I'm going to show you all the websites. I'm going to show you how you can get started in 2020. So if you haven't been to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of ways to make money, guys. So if you are interested in starting an online business, getting started with affiliate marketing, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is all I talk about on this channel. It's dedicated to helping you make money online, okay? So let's just go ahead and get started with the video. So the first option is Amazon Associates. So as you know, Amazon is a powerhouse. There's thousands of people going to Amazon every single second. So, let's take some of that traffic and make some money. So basically, Amazon Associates is a program where you can join for free and promote the products. Okay. The cool thing is you get 10%, up to 10% of all the sales you get. So the way you would do it is basically pick any product you want on Amazon and create reviews of that product. So an example here is, if you've heard of Think Media, Sean O'Connell, he basically makes reviews on Amazon products. Okay, so for example, he has camcorders, he has cameras, he has all kinds of equipment that he promotes. And the cool thing is, if you go to one of his videos, like for example this one, which I've already pulled up, he would have an Amazon link in here. So as you can see here, quick review of of this product here, and basically you can see this is a link. Okay, so if you click this link and you buy the camera, he gets a commission. Okay, so that's the cool thing about Amazon Associates is you can pretty much pick any product you want and promote it. Okay, so that's the first website. My wife actually does this. She's in the baby niche, so her channel is everything with newborn babies and stuff like that. So she gets all kinds of stuff on Amazon with that niche, and she creates videos around that. So pretty cool. All right, number 2 is Google AdSense. Okay, this one's pretty cool. So Google AdSense basically is this right here. Okay, so they let you, as long as you can let Google run ads on your platforms, they're going to pay you. Okay, so basically, if you have a blog, if you have a YouTube channel, you can put Google AdSense on your blog or YouTube. Okay, it's going to be different for YouTube. You do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is what I'm striving for, because once I get there, which I'm very, very close, I can now have Google run ads on my YouTube channel and make money. Okay, same thing with your blog. You can have Google put ads within your blog, and you can make a ton of money. Okay, so if you go here, let me just show you something pretty cool here. You can see how much money you can make. Okay, so if you had 50,000 monthly page views, you can make $5,000 annually. Okay, and you can see here, the more page views you have, you can make like a crazy amount of money. Okay, and I'm going to show you there's a free way you can get started. And there's also, if you have money, if you just want to start making money right away, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, and I'll show you that. It's part of, I think it's number 6. Okay, so if you just stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to get like a jump start if you want to do this method. Okay, anyways, Google AdSense is really cool, but I added some stuff here. If you want to do either YouTube or blogging, I have my YouTube SEO mastery. So if you want to, this is a free playlist on YouTube. It shows you how to get your YouTube channel growing fast. Okay, I grew very, very quickly, so I show you exactly how I do that. Okay, so I link that below, and then also if you want to create a blog, I also have a free course on how to create a blog. Okay, so that's out there if you want it. Okay, number 3 is JVZoo. Okay, so with JVZoo, you are promoting digital products. Okay, let me pull that up real quick. Basically, it's a network where you can choose your product and you can promote it. Same thing, you can use YouTube or blog, and the cool thing is they pay you out through PayPal. So, but there's a ton of different products in here that you can choose from. JVZoo is very, very popular, and a lot of people use them. So, I've used JVZoo before in the past, and I've made some good money with them. Basically, the best way to do it is if you promote their products through like YouTube or blog. That's probably the best way to do it. But anyways, that is number 3. Let's go to number 4. Okay, number 4 is Amazon Kindle Publishing. Okay, so keep in mind, guys, I've done probably, I think, all of these methods. Yes, I've done all of these methods. Okay, and I've made money with all these methods. So Kindle publishing is basically really cool because you can publish your own book, okay? And obviously, we're also leveraging Amazon again, which is what we want to do, right? Amazon is like a powerhouse, guys. I mean, there's so much people going to Amazon that we might as well use that, okay? So the cool thing about KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is you can make a book and literally upload it and have it there within a few days, okay? Now, the next website I'm going to show you is actually going to, if you didn't want to write a book, I can show you how to outsource that. So you can either outsource a book or you can have, you can write it yourself, right? So I have 3 books on Amazon right now. I've made some pretty good money with Amazon KDP. Some books I've outsourced, some books I've wrote myself, okay? So anyways, that is number, where are we at here? Let's double check. That is number 4. Number 5 is Upwork, okay? So Upwork is really cool because you can work as a freelancer. So if you have a particular skill like graphic design, or if you're a writer, or if you're a website designer, you can be a freelancer on this website, and people are paying people to do, certain tasks, okay? I pay a lot of money to Upwork, okay? Because I need stuff done all the time in my business. I need designs, I need email support, I need copywriting, I need help with the marketing. Guys, I spend so much money on Upwork in my business. So, if you want to, if you're just getting started, freelancing is a great way to get started online because, if you have a particular skill, you can literally, do writing and, customer service, admin support. There's so many things you can do if you're looking to start an online business. So you can make so much more than just $100 a day. Now, real quick, going back to number 4, if you wanted someone to write your book, you can use Upwork as well. So, if you need a book writer, you can just go in here and type book writer, and you can see you can outsource that as well. So you can, have someone write an ebook for you and then put it on Amazon KDP. So it's a great way to make money, guys. Like $40 an hour to write a book or whatever. You can look through here and see, what you want to, who you want to hire and stuff. But anyways, that is number 5. Okay. Number 6, okay, so this is going to be kind of tied up with number 2 if you want to get started right away. So I'm going to explain. So it's called Flippa, okay? So Flippa is interesting. So you purchase and sell websites, but you can do that, or you can purchase a website and use it for yourself, okay? So there's a ton of websites on here. So if you go to websites, you can go to featured, and you can buy a website. Now, some websites are very, very expensive, but there's also, they're also they're getting a ton of traffic. So you can kind of go through here and see websites that you can buy, okay? So it's really cool because if you wanted to use Google AdSense, you can use some of these websites that are already, getting traffic, okay? So for example, so if we go to AdSense here, you can see which websites are already getting traffic, okay? So you can see here that monetization, you can see all the information here, okay? Some of these websites are insane, like $40,000, okay? But you can see the profit. So if, you paid $40,000, you would get your money back in roughly 4 to 5 months, right? So, but you can find something more within your range, I'm sure. You can probably find like $1,000 one or a $200 one. Here's one here. And basically you can use AdSense, you can put Google AdSense on here and make that money, right? So I showed you how you can make money with Google AdSense. So that's a quick way to do it. Or you can buy and sell websites. That's another way to do it. So Flippa is really cool, guys. I'm actually looking into buying a few websites myself. I have some money to invest, so I want to definitely maybe buy some websites and start making money with it. So, and the cool thing is you don't have to build a blog from scratch. You can literally buy something that's already proven, right? All right, number 7 is really cool. This is called the Dosh App, okay? This is something I think everyone should use because you're basically getting rewards for stuff you're already buying. So it's almost like a no-brainer. This is really cool. You can make money. Now, to make $100 a day, you would have to do this, okay? You would have to go here and refer friends to get Dosh. Basically, you can do, like I said, a YouTube review, or you can literally text all your friends and say, hey, here's my free app. If you sign up, you get $5 and I get $5 or whatever. So Dosh is really cool. Basically, you would make the $100 a day with affiliate marketing, which is showing people, recommending this to other people. Okay, like I said, YouTube is probably the best way to recommend this. Okay. All right, the next one here is Text Broker. This one is specifically if you're a writer. This is one I've never done myself. I've done pretty much all these methods besides Text Broker. But if you are a writer, this is, this is up your valley, or in your valley, and this is what you do. If you like writing, this is a great way to get started. Is with Text Broker. I use Text Broker as a consumer, because I need people to write content for me. So, but if you're a good writer, you can. This is also like a good freelancing website, just for writers basically. So that is that. And then okay, so number 9 is let me see here, Amazon Handmade. Okay, so if you're familiar with Etsy, Etsy's basically like people that are in the handmade niche. So people that make their own stuff, people that like create their own products, stuff like that. So what's cool is if you're already doing that on Etsy, you can go to Amazon Handmade and basically sell your stuff on here, okay? And it's really cool because Amazon's already getting a ton of people to their website, so might as well use Etsy and Amazon, right? So definitely recommend that if you're in that niche, okay? And then they fulfill all your stuff for you if you want, okay? Now the last one is my favorite, and this is how I've made the most money in online, and I just started, which is really cool. And the number 10 and my favorite is Legendary Marketer, okay? This is a company that I started working with, and I have made almost $15,000. And guys, I just started with this company, guys. It's insane. And basically what it is, it's a company that shows people how to make money online, how to start a business, and how to do it properly, okay? So if you want to make money like online, you have to put it into a passive income system, something that's going to pay you while you're traveling, while you're with your family, while you're sleeping. That's the best way to make money, is passively, right? That's what I teach on my channel, Passive Income Lifestyles. So number 10 is all about is a company that I've worked with, and just for the past few months, and I'll show you proof here of the payouts and everything. But basically what it is you would go here and you would start this 15-day challenge on how to start your online business. Okay, so it's pretty cool because you go here. Let me go to the challenge here. And it's basically, it's a $7 challenge, guys, and you basically go through here and it shows you how to start an online business from beginning to end, okay? And this is only $7 to get started, which is really cool, okay? One of these modules is like start a business in 30 minutes. Yeah, right here, let's build a business in under 30 minutes. It's insane. So this is my number 1 recommendation. Let me show you some proof of some payouts here. Like I said, I just started a few months ago, as you can see here. Here's some of my payouts here: $1,300, $1,100, $800, $1,800, $3,000, $600. That's every 2 weeks, guys. They pay it out every 2 weeks. It's insane. So if you are interested in Legendary Marketer, guys, that's going to be the first link in the description below. That is my number 1 recommendation to make money. If you want to make a passive income, this is a system that has paid me out handsomely, and I'm just getting started with this company, so I'm super excited about that. But any of the other websites, you can definitely make some crazy money, guys. Whatever you do, just do it. Go all in. Like, don't just dabble, guys. Like, you can make so much money online. You just really have to go all in. Whatever you're doing, like, you have to go all in, and you have to understand that whatever you're doing, it takes a little bit of time to make some money. Okay. But there's so much potential with online, because that's where everything's going. So anyways, guys, if you did find value in this video, please like it. Please comment if you have any questions. Like I said, if you are interested in Legendary Marketer, it's going to be the first link in the description. That is the number 1 recommendation on how I make money online. Okay? All right, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you found any value in this video, and I will talk to you soon.